Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best air fryer reviews in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Cosori Air Fryer Oven Combo. The Cosori Air Fryer is considered as one of the best air fryers as it features 11 preset options. Unlike other air fryers, it also has the technology of Cosori Wi-Fi and you can control it via Google Assistant or Alexa. This brand has not been much introduced in the kitchen world, but it is taking its place now, and above all, this air fryer is making its place to the top-rated air fryers. As it has a simple design and display that makes it more convenient and safe to use, instead of other air fryers. It features 11 built-in options that are steak, poultry, seafood, shrimp, bacon, frozen food, French fries, vegetables, root vegetables, bread, desserts, and a preheat option. Additionally, it features a beautiful LED screen for selecting your functions and a reminder when it's time to empty the basket or when the food is ready. This model couldn't be easier to use. It has a large capacity, which is about 5.8 quart, that can cook a meal for a large family. It can easily accommodate 5 to 6 pound chickens or plenty of wings. Last but not least, it comes with a cookbook that carries 100 plus recipes. Number 2. Our second best pick is Ninja Air Fryer. The Ninja Air Fryer took the top place as it has exceptional features along with the affordable price. It has been awarded as one of the best air fryers of 2021. Let's find out why. If you are a foodie and love crunchy fries and crispy chicken wings, you should consider this air fryer as it produces the best crunchy fries just as the one you buy from the restaurant. Along with this air fryer is really affordable and everyone can buy it easily. Moreover, it features digital controls and settings for reheating, roasting, and dehydrating. Not only this, it also features more programs, but they are a bit tricky, but once you get used to it you'll easily master the necessary steps. Above all, it has a non-stick coated basket. But not only this, the basket, crisper plate and multi-layer rack are also dishwasher safe. The ceramic non-stick basket can easily accommodate 2 pounds of fries. This Ninja Air Fryer also features a wide temperature range, i.e. 105–400 degrees Fahrenheit. Additionally, this unit requires only 3 minutes of preheating time. With this air fryer you also get a stainless steel rack for multi-level cooking. Number 3. Our third best pick is Instant Vortex Plus. Experience the best air frying with the Instant Vortex Plus air fryer oven. First of all, it is as efficient and speedy as every air fryer is expected to be. It requires no preheating time and you can easily cook your dinner in half the time of a conventional oven, without heating up the whole kitchen. Moreover, you can easily put both cooking trays at once to make multiple meals at a time. Along with this, it features one-step even crisp technology that allows you to achieve crispy outer and a tender and juicy inner. Whether you tumble fry in the basket or roast meat, deliciousness is guaranteed. Unlike most of the air fryers, it features 7 different cooking programs like air fry, bake, roast, toast, broil, dehydrates and rotisserie. Aside from these features, it has a broad digital display that is absolutely sleek and modern, offering 14 simple touch controls, and displays smart programs, cooking, setting and cooking cues. In addition to these, it has overheating protection that reduces the risk of burning food and auto shut-off feature to 0. It is considered as one of the best air fryer 2021 because of its versatile and appraisable features and large 10-quart capacity that can fit both cooking trays at once. Last but not least, this package comes with accessories like 2 air fairy trays, air fry basket and rotisserie spit and forks that are all dishwasher safe. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is CHEFMAN Small, Compact Air Fryer. Do not worry if you don't have a big counter space to put this appliance because it requires a small space as it has a compact and space-saving design. This compact-size CHEFMAN Turbo Air Fryer gives crispy and even results. Most importantly, it has a vented basket that promotes air circulation for even results, Also allows for dripping if you don't empty the grease buildup between rounds. Moreover, the removable tray has many vents that benefit from cleaning with a brush. As this product does not have the digital display, there's another version of this air fryer with a digital display if you find it difficult to operate this version. It features manual temperature control, and a 30 minutes integrated timer lets you air fry everything from frozen veggies, chicken, and even yesterday's dessert. Additionally, the basket is made of BPA-free material, and it has a cool touch exterior and auto shut-off features that ensure safety. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Ninja AF161 Max XL Air Fryer. Ninja Max XL is considered as the top performer in the traditional basket-style air fryer test. Just because it is very easy to use with readable buttons and clear owner's manual. Above all, this air fryer is convenient to use with its easy to slide in and out the basket, which makes handling a breeze. Along with this, the basket has a non-stick ceramic-coated basket which is easy to wash. The tray placed in the basket and the basket, both are dishwasher safe and easy to clean, even if you choose to wash them with your hands. In addition to being easy to use, it produces chicken wings and fries that are crunchy from outside and tender and juicer from inside. Isn't it sounding appealing? It is considered as one of the best air fryers 2021 as it is the most versatile air fryer that features max crisp, air fry, air roast, air broil, bake, reheat and dehydrate programs. Moreover, it can easily accommodate 3 pounds of fries in its 5.5 quart basket. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.